Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Born with a Chocolate Spoon, and today we are going to make Mughlai Pista chicken. We'll start by heating the pan and adding the oil. Add the onions and caramelize them until they are golden brown. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste and tomatoes. Cook them until they're softened. Now we'll add the spices: garam masala, red chilli powder, cardamom powder, salt as per your taste. Add the black pepper powder. Now stir in between, making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Adding the rest of the spices: coriander, crushed, cinnamon powder, mix it thoroughly. Now we'll add the chicken to it. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the masala. Pour in the pista powder. Add 1 cup of water. Add the yogurt to it. Keep mixing. Add more salt as needed. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for around 10 to 20 minutes until the chicken is tender. Keep stirring in between.